Hi Pat, so today I'm going to run you through a letter template that I have designed that we're going to be implementing at Adapt Owl. So this letter template is going to be used to inform a customer that there's been a delay in their order. The letter is designed to show the customer appreciation for their business while keeping them informed and offering an additional contact if required. So the template will be used for this purpose, and it has a couple of features that I need to take you through today. So those features are a mail merge, so that means that if you have a list of contacts that haven't received their order, we can merge all of their details into this letter template, and then their addresses and everything are populated, so you don't need to manually type those into each letter. And we've also put a macro in there which signs off yours sincerely. Macros can be used for a variety of different things, but that's what I'll be showing you how to use today. So we've come up with this draft because it saves time for staff when sending out letters, which obviously is more ideal because then you can use your time elsewhere. And it also standardizes the outgoing letters, so it sends the message that we want to send and it adheres to all of our organization style guides. So let's begin with a demonstration. So I'll start off. So this is the document we've got here. So as you can see, it's got our company logo and header with all of our details in there, so if they want to contact us. It's got the date, and then this is where we'll be populating the receiver's information, so their name, their address, suburb, state, postcode, their title and their surname will be populated from a list that we have through the mail merge. And then it's just a quick letter to them letting them know that their package has been delayed and apologising and offering any more assistance. And then we've got the macro to use yours sincerely here, and then you would sign that off with your details. So I'll start by showing you how to use the mail merge, which will be populating their details into this letter. So up on the mailings tab here, you click mailings and then you click start mail merge. So the mail merge is already set up, so I've done all the background work, so you need to just click select recipients. Yep, perfect. And then you can either type a new list, which is not ideal because you should have a list already populated in Excel. But if you were needing to, that's an option. You can type up all their details straight into Word, but ideally you'll have an Excel spreadsheet set up with all of the customer's details. So for the spreadsheet, you click use an existing list. I'll just show you first and then we'll run through yours. So use an existing list and then choose open. Okay. Then it's fairly simple. You go to finish and merge and edit individual documents. Once you've done that, as you can see, it populated all the names from that example list that I had and all of their details into this document. And those documents would be ready to print off and send out. Next, I'll show you how to use the macros. So I've just made this macro here to sign yours sincerely. So you would just click Control Alt and M, and as you can see, that pops up on the screen there. So in the future we'll be implementing other macros to use different standardized tasks, but that's what I'm showing you today. Perfect. So did you have any questions before I get you to run through that yourself? No? Okay, perfect. So I'll get you to start off by using the mail merge here. Okay, so I've cleared that, so you can go ahead. Yep, so mailings, that's correct. Start mail merge, perfect. select recipients. Yep, and we will use an existing list. Yep. So if you just find that list that I've showed you, the practice one, and click open, perfect. Yep, so you just need to go to finish and merge. Yep, and then that's edited those documents and that's popped up. So how do you feel about that?
That's great.
Yep, you feel comfortable doing that?
Yeah, that's nice and simple.
Perfect. And then I'll just get you to insert the macro. So Control Alt N. Great, that's in there. Okay, do you have any questions about those?
No, that's fine.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. So it seems like you got all of that sort of straight away, so that's really good. You followed those instructions perfectly. What we might do as well is for yourself and for other staff members, just print out those instructions, obviously, so you know how to take, go through all the steps. Yeah, and then if you have any questions, obviously you can come back to me, but you handled that really well. So what I'm going to do is open up this document and clear what we've done, and then you can go through and from start to finish and edit the document as you would if you were sending it out to some clients. You can use that example list that I gave you before. Alright, so I'll set that up. Perfect. And I won't tell you what to do if you get stuck. Just follow the instructions that are listed on that document, and yeah, we'll see how you go.
Sure.
So is that one all finished? You happy with that?
It's done.
Okay, perfect. Let me just check over that. Okay, that looks really good. Looks like you've got it all correct. Okay, I just need to do one more thing to check over. Okay, so I just need to show you these explanatory notes. So this just runs through the style guide and why we implement that here. Yep. So I'll just get you to read over that after this session, but I'll just highlight a few. It just covers over the letter template, why we're implementing it, and then why we use the style guide. It just talks about the training that you'll be requiring, and then how to save all of your documents is on there as well, so the template that you use and which folder to save these documents in. So if you're happy, I'll print that out and you can read over that.
Go for it.
Perfect. Great, thanks for your time, Pat.
No worries.